Hello everyone and welcome to DelphStack. If your Microsoft Teams webhook is failing with a 401 error, it usually indicates an invalid webhook URL, an expired endpoint, or a request that Teams cannot authenticate. I will show you exactly how to fix this connection issue right now. Let's get started. First, because Microsoft is phasing out traditional connectors, your old endpoint may simply be deprecated. Open Teams, navigate to your target channel, click the three dots, and select Workflows. Search for and create a new flow using an incoming webhook trigger. Complete the setup and copy the brand new endpoint URL generated by Power Automate. Next, you must update the external application that is trying to push data into Teams. Replace the outdated URL in your third-party service with your new Workflows endpoint. Ensure your system is using an HTTP POST request with the content-type set to applications/JSON. Verify your payload is formatted correctly before testing, using a basic structure like open curly bracket, quote, text quote, colon, quote, test message quote, close curly bracket. Finally, if the Workflows option is missing, your IT administrator may have restricted integrations. Have an administrator log in to the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Expand the Teams Apps menu on the left and check both Managed Apps and Permission Policies. Ensure that third-party apps, custom apps, and the Workflows app are explicitly set to allowed for your user group. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.